8 hours of work, 8 hours of rest, 8 hours of recreation. Sounds balanced, right? But is it really? Today, we're peeling back the layers of the 9-to-5 work model, where it came from, its impact on us, and how to break free. Let's start by understanding the 9-to-5 trap. It's the standard work routine that demands most of your waking hours, often leaving little time for personal growth, family, or pursuing passions. Let's break down how this traditional model originated and why it's considered a trap by many. The 9-to-5 work schedule, a staple of modern work life, originated during the Industrial Revolution, but it was solidified in the early 20th century. Before this period, work hours were long and labour-intensive, often stretching from dawn until dusk. The push for shorter hours began as part of the labour movement, which argued for more humane working conditions. The pivotal moment came in 1926 when Henry Ford, the American industrialist, standardized the 5-day, 40-hour work week for his Ford Motor Company employees. Ford believed that shorter hours would increase productivity and give workers more leisure time to consume goods, including his cars. This model proved successful and was gradually adopted across various industries, becoming the standard by which most companies structured their work hours. Today, the 9-to-5 workday is widely recognized, though increasingly questioned and modified in light of shifts toward more flexible and remote working arrangements. Many find themselves grappling with the limitations of a fixed salary in a traditional 9-to-5 job. This first impact, known as the financial ceiling, confines many to a predictable yet restrictive earning potential. Unlike roles with commission or entrepreneurial ventures where income can increase based on performance and innovation, the 9-to-5 often caps your financial growth with set salaries and incremental raises. Let's explore how this ceiling not only hampers personal wealth, but also limits professional aspirations and what can be done to break through these financial barriers. First, let's understand the financial ceiling. In many 9-to-5 jobs, salary increments are minimal and often don't keep pace with inflation or the rising cost of living. This means, in real terms, you could be earning less over time even as you gain more experience. Moreover, these incremental raises are typically predetermined, offering little room for significant financial advancement. The limitations of fixed salaries become even more apparent when considering long-term financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, saving for your children's education, or planning for retirement, the slow pace of financial growth in a 9-to-5 can make these goals seem unreachable. This financial stagnation prompts the question, is there a better way? Fortunately, there are ways to supplement your income that don't rely on hourly work. Exploring passive income streams can be a game changer. Passive income, money earned with little to no ongoing effort, can include anything from rental income and dividends to earnings from a blog or YouTube channel. Many skills you already possess can be leveraged into passive income. For example, if you're a talented photographer, consider selling your photos on stock photo websites, or if you're a programmer, develop an app. Even writing an ebook can transform your specialized knowledge into a continual revenue source. Starting your passive income journey involves several key steps. 1. Identify your skill set. What unique skills do you have that can be monetized? 2. Research your market. Understand what products or services are in demand. 3. Create a product or service. Develop something that people need and can use repeatedly. 4th, automate. Use technology to sell and deliver your product or service with minimal ongoing effort. 5. Market your offering. Reach your audience through effective marketing strategies like SEO, social media, and email marketing. While the 9-to-5 job may limit your financial growth, breaking through the financial ceiling is possible by leveraging your skills for passive income. This approach not only offers financial benefits but also enhances your autonomy and the ability to achieve personal and professional satisfaction. Next, we'll look into how mental exhaustion affects your ability to pursue these opportunities and what you can do about it. One of the most challenging aspects of the 9-to-5 structure is the mental exhaustion it often brings. After a long day confined within office walls, many find their energy depleted, their creativity sapped, and their drive to pursue personal passions extinguished. Let's explore the impact of this mental drain and uncover strategies to manage and overcome it, so you can thrive both inside and outside of your 9 to 5. Mental exhaustion isn't just about feeling tired. It's a state where mental resources are depleted due to prolonged cognitive activity under stress. This can manifest as irritability, decreased efficiency, decision fatigue, and even apathy towards work and personal goals. But what causes this in the 9 to 5 setting? It often stems from monotony, lack of autonomy, high pressure, and the feeling of being undervalued. Recognizing the signs of mental exhaustion is the first step toward addressing it. Common symptoms include persistent tiredness, difficulty concentrating, anxiety, insomnia, and a noticeable lack of motivation. If you're experiencing these symptoms, it's time to take action. To combat mental exhaustion, consider integrating the following strategies into your daily routine. 1. Take regular breaks. Step away from your desk every hour for a few minutes to reset your mind. 2. Practice mindfulness. Meditation and deep breathing exercises can significantly reduce stress levels. 3. Prioritize tasks. Focus on completing high-priority tasks when your energy levels are highest, usually at the start of the workday. 4th. Delegate when possible. Share responsibilities to avoid overburdening yourself. 5. Set clear boundaries. Keep work stress from bleeding into your home life by setting firm boundaries between work hours and personal time. Building resilience is key to overcoming mental exhaustion in the long term. Strengthen your mental stamina by maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and a nutritious diet, ensuring you get enough sleep each night, engaging in hobbies that fulfill you, providing a necessary and refreshing break from work-related thinking, developing a support network of colleagues, friends, and family who understand and share your experiences. For a more sustainable solution, consider reassessing your career goals. Is your current job aligning with your long-term aspirations? If not, it might be time to consider a career shift, further education, or even transitioning to freelance work where you have greater control over your workload and schedule. Mental exhaustion doesn't have to be your norm. By recognizing the signs, implementing effective management strategies, and potentially reevaluating your professional path, you can reclaim your energy and enthusiasm. Remember, your well-being is the foundation upon which your success is built. The time commitment of a 9 to 5 job means missing out on personal life events and opportunities for self-development. Time is irreplaceable, yet many of us find ourselves sacrificing precious moments and potential opportunities to a rigid work schedule. Let's understand how this impacts our lives and explore solutions like flexible work arrangements and effective delegation that can help us reclaim our time. The cost of being tethered to a desk goes beyond the paycheck. It includes missed family dinners, unattended children's recitals, foregone gatherings with friends, and neglected personal hobbies. Each missed event is a missed opportunity to build relationships and memories, which are the real fabric of a fulfilling life. Rigid schedules not only steal moments with loved ones, but also opportunities for personal growth. When long hours sap your energy, pursuits like learning a new skill, exercising, or even reading a book can seem daunting. Over time, this leads to stunted personal development and unfulfilled potential. Flexibility in where and when you work can be a game changer. Many companies are now embracing remote work, compressed work weeks, or flex time as they recognize the productivity gains from happy, balanced employees. Such arrangements allow you to attend important life events, nurture your health, and pursue passions without sacrificing career goals. Effective delegation is another key strategy. By entrusting tasks to capable team members, you not only empower them, but also free up your own schedule. Learn to leverage project management tools and clear communication to ensure tasks are completed efficiently, allowing you to focus more on what matters most. Let's look at real-life examples. Meet Person A, who shifted to a 4-day workweek and now spends Fridays on personal projects and family outings. Then there's person B, who began working remotely and now starts her day with a yoga session, enhancing her productivity and well-being. Time lost to a rigid 9-to-5 schedule is more than just hours, it's life passing us by. By adopting flexible work arrangements and mastering delegation, you can reclaim this time and open new doors to a balanced and rewarding life. The constant exposure to stressful work environments doesn't just wear you down mentally, it can also trigger a host of physical health issues. We'll look at common physical and mental health problems caused by the 9-to-5 routine and ways to mitigate these risks. The 9-to-5 work structure often means long periods of sedentary activity, high stress, and irregular eating habits, which can lead to problems such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and chronic back pain. Additionally, the mental toll can manifest as anxiety, depression, and burnout. Recognizing these risks is the first step toward preventing them. Physically, the 9-to-5 grind can be brutal. Sitting for long hours can lead to obesity, worsened cardiovascular health, and severe back issues. Poor office ergonomics and staring at a screen contribute to chronic neck and eye strain. Meanwhile, the convenience of fast food and skipping meals can disrupt metabolic health. Mentally, the strain can be just as severe. The pressure to perform, along with the monotony of daily tasks, can lead to significant stress, anxiety, and even depression. These mental health challenges not only affect work performance but also seep into every aspect of life, affecting relationships and personal happiness. To combat these physical ailments, consider integrating more movement into your day. Use a standing desk, take regular walking breaks, or engage in lunchtime fitness sessions. Prioritize proper ergonomics to reduce strain and invest in quality office equipment that supports your posture. Also, focus on nutritious meals rather than quick office snacks. For mental health, regular breaks are essential to clear your mind and reduce stress. Practices like mindfulness and meditation can be incredibly beneficial. Don't underestimate the value of professional help, such as counseling or therapy, which can provide strategies to manage stress effectively and maintain mental stability. Lastly, advocate for a healthier work environment. Encourage your employer to support wellness programs that include mental health days and resources for physical health, such as gym memberships or ergonomic assessments. A culture that prioritizes employee health can transform the entire dynamics of the workplace. In conclusion, while the 9-to-5 routine may be demanding, there are numerous ways to protect and enhance your health within this framework. By adopting the strategies we've discussed, you can mitigate the risks and lead a healthier, more fulfilling life both in and outside of work. Now, are you ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind? We've outlined 8 practical steps to help you transition from traditional employment to a more flexible and fulfilling work life. From identifying your passions to financial planning, each step is designed to guide you through this transformative journey, ensuring you are prepared to make the leap with confidence and clarity. Let's dive into these actionable strategies that can turn your dream of freedom into reality. Step 1. Assess your situation. Start by understanding your finances, how much you earn, spend, and save. Evaluate your job satisfaction. Are you learning, growing? Does your work drain or energize you? This self-audit is crucial in plotting your escape. Step 2. Define your vision. What does your ideal life look like? Do you envision freelancing, launching a startup, or working remotely from exotic locations? Create a clear vision of your end goal to keep you motivated and focused. Step 3. Start side hustling. Begin building a side income that aligns with your passions and skills. Whether it's e-commerce, consulting, or content creation, your side hustle can be a bridge to full-time entrepreneurship. Step 4. Upskill and reskill. The job market is constantly evolving. Acquire new skills that are in demand and refine existing ones. This can open doors to more flexible work arrangements or entirely new career paths. Step 5. Streamline your finances. Minimize your expenses and maximize your savings. This financial cushion is key to giving you the freedom to quit your 9 to 5 when the time is right without undue stress. Step 6. Network and connect. The power of a strong network cannot be overstated. Connect with like-minded individuals and industry influencers who can offer support, advice, and opportunities. Step 7. Test your exit strategy. Before you turn in your resignation, ensure your side hustle can sustain you financially. Consider a trial period like a sabbatical to experience the reality of your new life. Step 8. Make your move. With a proven strategy, solid savings, and a viable business or remote job in place, you're ready to escape the 9 to 5. It's time to make your move confidently. Escaping the 9 to 5 trap isn't just a dream. It's a feasible goal with the right approach and mindset. Implement these steps, stay disciplined, and watch as you transform your life from mundane to extraordinary. If you're ready to take the first step towards freedom, subscribe for more tips and strategies. Share your progress in the comments below. We'd love to hear your success stories and challenges. Remember, you're not just escaping a job, you're embracing a lifestyle.